How do I unlock my furnace after a fault? Turn the power off, find the furnace reset or lockout method in the manual or on the control board, fix the cause of the fault, and then restore power to clear the lockout. A furnace locks itself for safety when it detects a problem, like a failed ignition, low airflow, a dirty flame sensor, or overheating. Think of it like a teacher stopping a game when something looks unsafe, because the furnace is trying to protect your home. First, turn the thermostat off and switch the furnace power off at the wall switch or breaker, then wait a few minutes so the control board can fully reset. Next, check the air filter, because a clogged filter can make the furnace overheat and shut down again right away. Look for a blinking light on the furnace control board, because that light often gives a code that tells you what went wrong. Some furnaces have a reset button, but many do not, so pressing random buttons can make things worse. One thing many people do not know is that a weak flame sensor can cause repeated lockouts even when the furnace starts for a second, so cleaning it gently can help. If the outside vent is blocked by snow, leaves, or ice, the furnace may refuse to run until that is cleared. After you fix the likely cause, turn the power back on and set the thermostat to heat, then listen for the startup sequence. A common mistake is trying to reset the furnace again and again without fixing the real problem, which can keep tripping the safety lockout. Another mistake is ignoring the air filter, because a dirty one can look harmless but still cause overheating and shutdowns. People also miss the error light or code, even though it is often the best clue for what the furnace wants you to check. If the furnace locks out after every restart, stop and inspect the filter, vents, and flame sensor before trying again. If you smell gas, hear loud banging, or see a burned wire, shut it off and get help right away. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.